It's 7:30 in the evening. We just arrived in Laucai. I am at the VIP lounge of Chapa Express. Boarding is not going to be up until around 9 p.m. or 8:30. I have more than an hour to kill here. I just ordered carbonara and Coke Zero, and I'm charging all my stuff. I booked my tickets on Klook. It includes the train tickets, of course, shared transfer, and access to the VIP lounge. Don't forget to use the promo code Clarice Klook when booking on Klook to get up to 5% discount. Here we go. We can board the train now. There's the train. We're boarding, finally. So I just prepared the boarding pass. Thank you.